Okay, quick tip on getting the crankshaft bolt off. If you don't have a big, strong impact gun, you'd need one of those big air-powered ones, 900 or more foot-pounds kind of thing. You could put a socket on your crankshaft bolt, 19 mil, and wedge your breaker bar up against the frame, the driver's side frame, and give your starter a quick little shot, and it should break it loose. Let's give it a try. And it's loose, ready to come out. I pull that out. I do need to line up the timing marks again, which are hard to see. Because it'd be cloudy out today. Right on zero. Helps if you grab the right size socket. There she is. Timing marks lined up, bolt out, ready to go. Hope that was helpful, guys. Give it a thumbs up and catch you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out.